Hello parents and children, welcome to our channel Fun Learn. Today we are going to talk about first grade English symphonic reader book. Let's go through the contents of the book like letter sounds, vowel are special, etc. And get ready for the letter sound discussion. Let us first understand why letter sound is important. To answer the above question, sound is the only way to read and pronounce the word correctly. If students can fully understand letter sound, they can build their ability to read effectively. Our children are able to pronounce the name of the letter correctly.
There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. These letters have names and sounds.
Let's hear some examples.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
However, children are finding it difficult to pronounce the letter sound. Let's listen some examples.
A says ah, 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 ah. B says b, 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 b. C says k, 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 k. D says d, 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 d. E says eh, 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 eh.
As you can hear, some letter sounds are hard to our kids to pronounce. So the solution is, first let's do some vocal exercises to fix this challenge. Everyone should first listen to the sound and then imitate it. A says apple. Please imitate. E says egg. Please imitate. I says igloo. Please imitate. O says octopus. Please imitate. U says umbrella. Please imitate. B says ball. Please imitate. C says cat. Please imitate. D says dog. Please imitate. H says fan. Please imitate. G says goat. Please imitate. H says heart. Please imitate. J says jug. Please imitate. K says kite. Please imitate. L says lamb. Please imitate. M says moon. Please imitate. N says nurse. Please imitate. P says pen. Please imitate. Q says quack, 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 queen. Please imitate. R says r, 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 rat. Please imitate. S says sun. Please imitate. T says dog. Please imitate. V says van. Please imitate. W says windmill. Please imitate. X says kiss box. Please imitate. Z says zoo. Please imitate. Y says e cry. Please imitate. Y says yak. Please imitate. Now we have successfully learned about the sound as well as the name of the letter. We recommend that regular imitation practice will make you fluent in the letter sound. In the coming video, the next chapter will be learned vowels are special. If you want detailed video on individual letter sounds, please let us know in the comment section. Now let's do some exercise. In this exercise, you have to circle the vowels and underline the consonants. Practice this exercise with your kids and share your experience with us. Since we are conducting an assessment for kids, top few students' names will be disclosed in our coming videos. If you find the content useful, then appreciate our effort by like, subscribe, share and feel free to provide your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.